Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for beginners. This meditation is a follow-on video from my 5-minute guided meditation for complete beginners. So hopefully you tried the 5-minute meditation and now you feel more comfortable and more in control of your thoughts and your body during those 5 minutes. This meditation is your next step towards building calm, clarity, and connection. But remember, there is no pressure, no judgment, and no experience needed. I'm Lindsay, and this is the Body and Mind Centre, where we reconnect wellness with real life. Today I'll guide you through 10 minutes of breath, body awareness, and gentle mental stillness, which is perfect for beginners who are ready to go a little deeper and take things to the next step. So, find a space where you can be still. That might be sitting or lying down, whatever feels right for you today. Let your hands rest gently. Soften your gaze or close your eyes. Take a slow, calming breath in through your nose and exhale softly through the mouth. And let's begin. I want you to begin by simply noticing your breath. No need to change anything, just observe. Feel the cool air as it enters your nose and the warmth as it leaves. The way your body gently rises and falls. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Inhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 2, 1. And exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's try that again. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 1, 2. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And now I want you to keep going at your own pace. Let your breath become your anchor, steady and always available. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just gently bring it back to the next inhale. Now bring your attention to your body. And let's do a simple body check-in. Remember, no judgment on it, just noticing it. So start at the top of your head. Feel your scalp, your forehead, all softening. Notice your eyes. Can you let them rest? And your jaw, let it completely unclench. Drop your shoulders away from your ears and let your arms feel heavy and your hands relax. Feel your spine long but not tense. Allow your belly to be soft and your breath to move freely. Notice your hips, your legs. Feel the contact points between your body and the ground beneath you. You are supported, you are grounded, and you are here. Now imagine a wide open sky. Thoughts may appear like clouds in the sky, drifting in and out. There's no need to hold on to them and no need to force them away. Just notice them, name them if it helps. Then gently return to your breath. Inhale and feel the space open within you. Exhale and release what you don't need to carry. Let go of your to-do list. Let go of how your day has gone so far, or how it might unfold later. Because right now, all you need to do is breathe. Now begin to feel the space around you. Become aware of the room you're in. The sounds around you. The temperature of the air on your skin. And return to your breath, your steady companion. Notice how you may already feel calmer, softer, and a little more present. That's the power of awareness. Even just a few minutes of tuning in can shift your whole day. I'm going to leave you for a few moments to your breath and your power. Before we close, let's look at a few simple affirmations, and I invite you to say them silently or aloud if that feels good for you. I am learning to be still. My breath supports me. Peace lives within me. I honour my journey one breath at a time. Now take one final deep breath as you inhale slowly. Hold at the top and exhale completely. Now start to bring some movement into your fingers and your toes. Wiggle, stretch, whatever feels right for you. Now you may choose to open your eyes or keep them closed if you want to continue to enjoy the stillness. But know that you did it. 10 minutes of presence, 10 minutes of self-care and 10 minutes that can ripple into the rest of your day. I recommend you stick with this 10-minute video until you feel more comfortable with the practice. And when you feel ready to take things another step further, I invite you to come join me for the 15-minute practice. This is Lindsay from the Body and Mind Centre, thanking you for sharing this time with me. And I also want to leave you reminding you it's not selfish to take some time out for you. And I look forward to seeing you again soon.